Hello everyone, how are you all? Yeah, today topic is rounding up the number. What do you mean by rounding off? So means nearest number. So one example I will give to you. So suppose you are having the 27 rupees. So that is nearest to the 20 or 30. So that is nearest to the 30. So or suppose you are having a 23 rupees. So that is nearest to the 20 or 30. So nearest to the 20. So in case of 24, below the 25, that you are saying that nearest to the 20. In case of you are having the above the 20, so that is nearest to the 30. So that is that nearby tens only. So not more than that number. So the 24 and 27 is in between the 20 and 30 tens. Yes, now 24 is nearest to the 20 and 27 is the nearest to the 30. Yes, so rounding of the number is called that nearest to that numbers, right? Okay, nearest to the tens. So like that we are saying that. So and one more thing, that rounding of the number also we are calling that nearly, approximately and roughly. So whatever the numbers, okay, so suppose that Nampally exhibition, that one day, okay, one day 25,000 people are visiting. Yes, so not exactly 25,000, so 24,000 some change. Okay, so approximately we are saying that. So approximately, nearly, roughly, so these all are equal to the rounding of number. Now let me see that how can you write that rounding of numbers and what are the rounding of numbers. Now let me see that rounding of the number. So nearest to the 10 and nearest to the 100 and nearest to the 1000. So like that we are writing depending upon the given number. So in case of that, so whatever the number, how many digits will be there, so we can write as the nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000, nearest to 10,000, nearest to lakh. So like that we can, so we should write. Now let me see that how we can write as a nearest to 10. Now let me see that nearest to 10. Now here 48 and 62, two examples I am giving to you. So now 48 we can write as a nearest to 10. So 48 is in a how many digit number? 2 digit number. In case of the 3 digit number, 4 digit number, whatever it is, that we should write like that only. Now nearest to 10. In the 10 how many zeros are there? Right, only 1 0. So in the 10 only 1 0 is there. So 1 0 in the sense, so we can write here in the given number only ones place we have to check. Right, half of the 10 is what? Almost that the ones place digit is compare with 5. Okay, the ones place digit is compare with 5. Yes, now what is here ones place digit? 8. 8 is compare with 5. Okay, now 8 is compare with 5. 8 is greater than 5. So 8 is more than 5. So for that time, so whatever the 48 is nearest to the 50. So whenever that ones place digit is greater than 5, yes, the before digit, okay, so the next place of the digit can be changed. In the ones place digit becomes 0. Yes, so whenever we are comparing that nearest to 10, so once again I am explaining that nearest to 10, in the 10 how many zeros will be there? 1 0. So given that number only one digit, so that to ones place digit we can compare. Yes, now this digit is compare with 5. So now 8 is greater than 8. So okay, 8 is greater than 5. So whenever the ones place digit or whatever we are comparing that, so that is more than 5. So that next digit means tens place digit becomes plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, and ones place digit becomes 0. Yes children, so now 48 is nearest to the 50. Yes, now let me see that one more example, 62. Yes, now 62 we can write as a nearest to 10. So what is in the ones place digit? 2. Why we are comparing only ones place digit? Why? Because nearest to 10. In the 10 how many zeros will be there? Only 1 0. Now 62. So 2 is in the ones place. Now 2 is compare with 5. Now 2 is less than 5. Yes, 2 is smaller than the 5. So on that time, so whatever the before digit here, ones place next digit here, 6. So it doesn't change. Okay, it doesn't change. So as it is we should write as an 6 and ones place digit becomes 0. So 60. So whenever we are comparing the digit, so that is less than 5 or smaller than 5, the before digit doesn't change and the ones place digit becomes 0. Now 62 is okay, nearest to the 10 means 60. Clear children? Yes, now next one is that nearest 100. Yes, so given the two numbers we can write as a nearest 100. Yes children, so just before how we are writing that nearest 10, so like that only we can write nearest 100. Now 100, how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros. So 100, how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros. Now which digit we can compare? Second digit from ones place or tens. Okay, so this is the ones and this is the tens. So 1 and 2. So now second digit we can compare with 5. Yes, now 275. So what is the second digit? 7. Now 7 is compared with 5. Now 7 is compared with 5. Yes, now 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, obviously greater than 5. Now 7 is bigger than 5. So whenever we are comparing the digit is more than 5. So what is that? The before digit can change. So 7 before. So what is that number? 7 before in the sense in the given number. So next to place value. So what is the number here? 2. 2 plus 1. So our next number, what is that? 3, and remaining 2 digit in the tens place and ones place, these 2 digit becomes 0. So 275 is nearest to the 300. Yes, so like that we can write that next number here 3412. Now this number we can write as the nearest 100. So as usual that 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So like that ones and 10. So this digit we can compare now. So that 1 is compared with 5. So 1 is that less than 5 or greater than 5? So less than 5. Yes, now 1 is the smaller than 5. Yes, so in case of this digit is smaller than 5, so what is that? The before digit doesn't change. Yes, what is the digit here? 4. So remaining all the digit as it is, we should write 3, 4, and remaining the next two tens place and ones place, these two digit becomes 0. So 3400. So 3412 is nearest 100 is the 3400. Yes children. Yes, now next one is that nearest 1000. So nearest 100 and nearest to 10 is over now. Now nearest 1000. Yes, in the 1000 how many zeros will be there? Yes, 3 zeros, right? Even in the whatever which digit we are comparing, so third digit. Yes, now 1, 2, 3. So whatever we are comparing, so that is from ones place onwards we have to count it. Our right side. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So this 4 we should compare. Now 4 is compared with 5. Yes, 4 is the smaller than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 4 is that smaller than 5 or 4 is okay less than 5. So whenever that the 4 is okay less than 5, so what is that? Before digit can change or doesn't change? Yes, doesn't change. So before digit doesn't change and this 3 digit becomes 0. So what is that? So before digit doesn't change. So what is the before digit here? 7, and after that remaining 3 digit becomes zeros. Why we are writing the 3 digit becomes zeros means nearest 1000, so 3 zeros will be there. So third digit we are comparing. So which digit we are comparing? So from that digit right side all the digit becomes 0. Now 7452 is nearest to the 7000. Yes, now going to the next one, 9541. Yes, 9541. Yes, now so nearest to 1000, 3 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3 here. Yes, now in the third digit is that 5. Now 5 is compared with the 5. So even in the equal also the before digit can change. Yes, so even in the equal 5 or 5 is okay greater than 5 also before digit can change. So what is that before digit? 9. So 9 plus 1, 10. Yes, so 10 we should write, and next to 3 digit becomes 0. So next to 3 digit become 0. So 9541 is nearest to that 10,000. Yes, alright children. Yes, now this is about the rounding of the numbers. So what we learn? Nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. If you want that, you want to write that more than, you should write the nearest to 10,000, nearest to lakh, nearest to 10 lakh. So like that only. Yes, now once again we can recall it. Nearest to 10. So 10 how many zeros? 1 0. So only one digit we can compare with 5. So that whatever we are comparing the digits, so that is more than 5 or bigger than 5, before digit can change. So even that change also only plus 1. Here 4 no, so plus 1. So whatever we are comparing the digits, so that digit becomes 0. Yes, so whenever we are comparing the digit, here 2 is smaller than 5. Yes, in case of the smaller than 5, the before digit doesn't change. Yes, now here as it is we are writing, and whatever we are comparing, so that becomes 0. So this is about the nearest to 10 and nearest 100. Yes, nearest to 100 also. So 100 2 zeros. So 1 2. So second digit from right side, second digit we can compare. So now 7. So whatever the digit we can compare with 5, in case of the digit is greater than 5, before digit can change and remaining the digit becomes zeros. Yes, so in case of more than, the digits will be there. So as it is we should write only the before digit can change. Yes, here 3 will be there. So as it is we are writing the 3, but 1 before, what is the digit? 4. Okay, only so that 4, in case of more than 5, the before digit can change. So here 1 is the less than 5 now. So as it is we are writing that 4. Now 3400. Now nearest to 1000 also 3 zeros. So third digit we are comparing. So like that we can do it. Okay, clear. Now so some questions I will be here. Okay, I will posting you, so then you can do it. Thank you.